Welcome to another video. Alright, in today's tutorials, we are given 2 exponent x plus 4 exponent x equals to 8 exponent x. So how do you solve for x? Okay, so before we can solve for x, we have to make sure we dissolve the first term. That is 2 raised to x. So we want to divide both sides by 2 raised to x. Okay, 2 raised to x. So this one will go away. 1 plus, so 4 exponent x on 2 exponent x. So in case we're given x raised to n on y raised to n. So let's look at the powers. The powers here are equal, and therefore we can take it out as x over y all raised to n. So we can spot the same thing here. 4 over 2 all raised to x. We can do same here. Okay. So we can reduce this. 4 on 2 is the same as 2. So raised to x. 2 into 8 is 4. As simple as that. Okay, so we have 4 raised to x, 2 raised to x, then plus 1. Okay, can we generate this in this? Yes. 2 times 2 is 4. So we can write this one as 2 to the power 2. Then I'll multiply by the power x. Now in going back, this one will still give us 4 raised to x. So we have this plus 1. Okay, now can we write this one as 2 to the power x or exponent 2? Yes. Now we have this 2 to the power x here plus 1. Okay, so look at this. We have 2 raised to x here, 2 raised to x there. So let's take it out because it will be complicated when we have this 2 raised to x in the question. Okay, so let's take it out by representing it by a variable. Okay, so let's take it out by letting a variable be that. So let y be 2 raised to x. So I have 1 plus y equals to y squared. So let's arrange it. Y squared minus y minus 1 equal to 0. So what do you see here? Quadratic equation. So let's solve this by a method of computing of squares. Okay. So I'll write this one as y squared minus y equals to 1. Okay. So let's take half of coefficient of y. So we have minus 1 all squared. Then add the result to both sides of the equation. So we have minus half. Okay, so we have y squared minus y plus minus half all squared 1 plus minus half all squared. Okay. All right, so let's compute the square here. Okay, so we have y and then minus half. Y minus half all squared. The same as, so this side is 1 plus, we have 1 over 4. Okay. All right, so on the right hand side, LCM is 4, 1 to 4, 4, 4 times 1. So we have 4 into itself 1. So we have 5 and 4. Have y minus half all squared. Okay, so we can go ahead and take square root on both sides. So we have y minus half. So this side will be plus or minus 5 on 2. Because taking square root of this, the numerator will be root 5, while the denominator will be 2. So we have y equals to half plus or minus 5 on 2. Okay, so we have 1 plus or minus 5 on 2. Okay, so we can go ahead and write our final answer as y equals to 1 plus 5 on 2, or y equals 1 minus 5 on 2. Okay. All right. Now, when you take this on the calculator to give you negative, I just want to give you positive. So let's go back. Remember, we represented 2 raised x by y. So 2 raised x equals to the first answer for y. Okay. So in solving exponential equation like this, okay, now you can't equate this one to a negative number here. No, it means y must be greater than 0 here. Okay, so this one is not possible, so we can focus only on the positive one. Okay, all right, so for x, so we have y as 1 plus 5 on 2. Okay, so let's take log on both sides. So we can take log on both sides like this. So natural log of that 1 plus 5. That alright. So this one becomes power rule, same as x natural log of 2 natural log of 1 plus 5 on 2. Okay, so let's divide both sides by that. So we have 1 plus 5 on 2 on natural log of 2. Okay, so we can use calculator to get the exact value of this, or you can use Wolfram Alpha. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.